Oscar winner A.R. Rahman's singer daughter Khatija, who's known for her hijab, has told NDTV that she's often looked down upon due to her hijab. The young singer has now released a music video, Farishta, on breaking this stereotype and to celebrate diversity. She has collaborated with her musician dad for this animation number. Khatija spoke to NDTV's Sam Daniel.
Joining us now, Miss Khatija Rahman, the daughter of musician A.R. Rahman. Khatija, thank you very much. Congratulations on your album called Farishta. Tell us about this. Are you trying to break stereotyping of women wearing burqa?
Thank you so much. It feels great to be here. And I think this video is about accepting diversity. It's not only about women wearing the burqa, because you see a lot of other women from different backgrounds there. So I think this is a need of the hour, because today I usually consider diversity a blessing, but in today's situation I think diversity is being slammed upon. So that is something which we wanted to break.
Right. And in your view, what are the ways in which do you think women are being stereotyped now?
I think basis on what they wear, the way they speak, and any choices they make, there are a lot of stereotypes, I feel, and that is what we wanted to break.
What kind of uncomfortable or such moments you often face when you step out of your home in a burqa?
A lot of times I'm being looked down upon, and probably people think I don't talk or I don't know much, or they just judge that way. Like a lot of events also. One of the recent events when I went, I was not given a very welcoming look based on my attire, but then after my speech at the event, a lot of them came and congratulated me. So it clearly shows that I'm more than what I wear, and I have my own identity and talent.
And what is the role of your dad in this number?
I think the entire idea is based on, his creative imagination, I would say, and he's being humble enough not to take the honor, but I think it is entirely his initiative and him encouraging me as an artist and for me to shine with my own identity.
Khatija, also tell us about your sister Rahima. You're very traditional, but she is very modern in her outlook in terms of dressing. Tell us about the kind of relationship both of you enjoy.
I think, as I've mentioned in my previous answers, dress doesn't matter, and I think we just go with what appeals to us most, and both of us actually are very close. This dress or whatever choices we make in life does not come as a barrier, has never ever been with anyone, in fact. So we've been closest of friends, and in fact, she's really understanding of me, and I'm also very understanding of her, and we accept each other the way we are.
Talking about this number, it's also animated. Who are you targeting? Are you targeting children or adults?
We wanted to target children and adults because I think the usual music videos, I'm not sure if children would watch it, and I think animation appeals to both children as well as adults. So it's for both, but predominantly we wanted children to be more excited about it and relate to the entire theme, and I think it would be a strong foundation for them when they see such videos.
As a talented artist, also being the daughter of Mr. Rahman, it should be easy for you to focus on commercially successful numbers, but you've chosen a number with a social theme. Is that something you are very conscious about, that it has to be done?
I I'm not conscious that way, but I think the projects have come to me this way. I never said that I'll not sing in films or anything like that, but I think probably a lot of things the universe is just making it happen for me based on my thoughts is what I would say. I'm not restricting myself to anything. So as long as my art sends a message, I'm happy.
Right. And what did your dad say after listening to your song?
He was very happy. He said it was very satisfying to listen, and he really helped and supported me throughout this journey.
Does your dad spend more time at home with family now during this lockdown period?
Yes. Yes, he spends a lot of time. And then now he's so bored at home.
Khatija, thank you very much for your time and all the best with your efforts to bring that kind of an awareness.
Thank you so much, Sam. Take care, stay safe.